Shiba Inu Coin secret dark truth just revealed by crypto expert. Shiba Inu Coin news today. Shiba Coin, also known as the Dogecoin killer, has been going parabolic lately. Shiba Inu has increased by over 400% in the last month, while still down 76% from its all-time high that was set in mid-May. Today we're going to talk all about Shiba Inu's dark truth revealed by crypto expert. So watch this video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Shiba Inu Coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Shib news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Shib news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 4th of November, shall we? The current technical analysis at Shib USDT, based on the H4 chart, suggests that the price is hovering slightly below the 50-period simple moving average, which could be opening the doors for a leg lower towards 60 millionths of a dollar in a first degree. Afterward, Shib could target the next critical handle at 55 millionths of a dollar, in case that the lows from the end of October give up. On the other hand, if the Shiba Inu coin gathers momentum at the current stage and cracks above 75 millionths of a dollar, it could resume the bull run towards the all-time highs, although the RSI indicator remains weak. Now let's get back to the topic. Now, the Shiba Inu token was launched in August 2020, but it has lately skyrocketed to new heights as a result of the Dogecoin's popularity. With Elon Musk leading the way for Dogecoin, a lot of people have been looking for the next big coin, the one that's going to make them the next Dogecoin millionaire. And with a lot of altcoins and meme coins riding on the rocket ship of the major cryptos, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, a lot of copycat-style coins have recently come out, some of which have really great technology. Shiba Inu has a Reddit community of roughly 157,000 members, and it's growing every day. And it doesn't seem to be stopping anytime soon. Unfortunately, a lot of people have lost a lot of money with crypto scams. And a quick disclaimer, and that's no one has paid me to talk about this coin. This is all my research to help you understand what's going on with Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is described by its creators as an attempt to decentralize spontaneous community development, and according to them, Shiba has a total quantity of 1 quadrillion tokens, allowing users to retain billions or even trillions of tokens, and because of the quantity of the tokens, the value of Shiba Inu may remain much below a cent while bringing even higher profits for everyone holding the coin. Not only that, but Shiba Inu also runs on the Ethereum network, which makes it more trustworthy. However, Shiba Inu's objective is to be the Dogecoin killer. And with a growth rate of over 2 million% this year, who knows, it might end up rising more, as it already has a 3 billion market valuation, which is a lot more than what Dogecoin had for a long time, until its current jump to about 60 billion in market cap. Dogecoin's value went from $8 billion to $60 billion in only a few days, which gives you an idea of where Shiba Inu could go. According to the white paper, the coin is deflationary, just like Bitcoin and the upcoming Ethereum 2.0. They started with a maximum circulation of 1 quadrillion tokens, and burnt it down, giving half to Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin in a burn, and the other half to Uniswap with the keys thrown away, implying that no developers hold any tokens, and that all of them are held by Uniswap. But then on May 13th, Vitalik ended up donating more than 50 trillion Shiba Inu coins, which were valued at roughly $931 million at the time. Now let's talk about some price predictions. A lot of this has been based on influencers like Elon Musk. Yes, he's not only the CEO of Tesla, SpaceX, among other companies targeting multi-trillion-dollar markets, but he's also an influencer that's been able to move markets. Elon Musk's tweet once again was the catalyst to let Shiba Inu's price collapse. Hiro Mizuno received a response from Elon Musk. It's okay if investors prefer to acquire and trade short-term Shiba coins. However, we don't consider doing so with Shiba dogs. You must keep them in excellent health for the remainder of their life once you've adopted them. These comments were supported by the fact that they're cute animals and human pals. Now, Elon Musk's answer to this tweet was super straightforward. I'm hunting for a Shiba dog. The process of recognition in Shib began after this tweet, which then caused the price of Shiba Inu to skyrocket within 24 hours. Now, a few major catalysts that could help the price reach that 1 cent mark is Shiba Inu's project called Shibaswap. This is where you can trade another crypto for Shiba and new coins, but the service has not yet launched. Now, in my opinion, this will serve as a major catalyst for this coin. Another catalyst will be when Dogecoin gets more attention from institutions, as we've seen recently as Coinbase Pro has started to accept Dogecoin in their platform. So as we start to see further growth and interest from other coins like Dogecoin, we'll also start to see growth in Shiba Inu coin. And Shiba Inu is at a price low enough that anyone can buy the coin, rather than spending a couple of $1,000s in Ethereum or Bitcoin. Another way that we could be seeing a surge in price action will be the direction that Shiba Inu is deciding to go. Shiba Inu is focusing on NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, which is going to help creators create NFTs that will be tradable on Shibaswap once that's out. Another thing that we feel is going to be more impactful is that Shiba Inu is working towards the rescue of Shibas all around the world. Shiba Inu uses Amazon's built-in Smile feature to donate to the cost of helping out Shibas. Now, compared to Dogecoin, Shiba Inu has not really experienced significant growth, but it's still being that it's not as volatile as Dogecoin. Despite the fact that Shiba Inu in his future is speculation, some people believe that the coin could reach $1. Now, obviously, it's very hard to know right now. Furthermore, Shib support was just added to Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges. The good news is that despite the current drop in the current market, Shiba Inu's price has been able to rebound from its lows. But one of the main things that could help it reach 1 cent mark, or even $1, will be Shiba Inu's decentralized exchange, which is going to compete with Uniswap and SushiSwap. But with anything crypto related, there are some major risk factors that we all need to know, as it's important to remember that cryptocurrencies overall are incredibly risky, especially with very speculative altcoins like Shiba Inu, as they tend to carry even more risk. That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you liked this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin. Bye!